Welcome to today's lecture. In today's session, we will understand the what queue is, how it works using first in first out principle, important methods, implementation, and commonly asked interview questions. What is queue? Queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in first out. The element is inserted first. Added to the first will be first element to be removed. A real example is a ticket counter where the first person in the line gets served first. Let us see the what is first in first order principle. In the queue, elements are inserted at the rear and removed from the front. Therefore, the element that enter first leave first. This is the queue hierarchy. Queue is an interface that extends the collection interface. Since queue is an interface, we cannot create its object directly. Instead, we use classes like linked list, priority queue, and array DQ. We commonly create a queue objects using linked list class because linked list implements the queue interface. This is adding elements in the queue. The add method insert the elements at the rear of the queue. Elements are stored in the same order in which they are inserted. And coming to the remove methods, the remove method removes and returns the elements from the front of the queue. Since queue follows FIFO, the first insert element is removed. Coming to the viewing the front element, the peek method returns the front element without removing it from the queue. These are the common queue methods. Queue provides several useful methods for insertion, removal, and accessing elements. Understanding these methods are important for interviews. That is the difference between the add and offer method. Add throws exception if insertion fails. Offer returns false if the insertion fails. Both the methods insert the elements into the queue. Let us see the difference between the remove and poll. When the queue is empty, remove throws an exception, whereas poll safely returns null. Let us see the difference between the peak and element. Both methods access the front element. The difference appears when the queue is empty. Peak returns a null while element throws an exception. This example demonstrates the insertion, viewing the front element, removing an elements and printing the updated queue. This is the output for the above example. Queues are widely used in operating system, printers, task scheduling system, and many real-world applications where the processing must occur in order. It is the difference between the queue and stack. Queue follows FIFO, while stack follows LIFO. This is the one of the most frequently asked interview question. This is the common queue interview question. Understanding this will help you to confidently answer the Java collection framework questions. To summarize, queue is a first in first out data structure used for ordered processing. It is an interface implemented by classes like linked list and priority queue and is heavily used in real world applications. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Next, we will learn about the next topic. Thank you for watching.